Hey everybody, Dave Cook, D'Franco Painting Wallpaper here with Anthony, and Jason's behind the mask curtain. So this was kind of start off as a simple job where we were stripping wallpaper. They had this wall, that wall, and this wall had a wallpaper on it that they couldn't get off the wall at all. So they hired us to do that, and then that led into painting the foyer, and the foyer had like a texture plasters thing. So Anthony was going nuts yesterday. So pretty much you can see all the skim coating he did on these walls. And then they added trim, and then they added doors, and they're gonna add that. And then there's bedroom up in there that we added. And Jason has been in here, and he is painting this bedroom, office, den type thing. It was a dark green, so I got rid of the dark green. And then this room, they're replacing vanity and toilets, so when that gets done, that'll get painted. And then they have another bathroom up in there that we'll be painting once they get rid of toilet vanity. And then that one's all red, so that one's gonna be an interesting one. And then that wall's up there, they'll be getting rid of that like darkish, goofy color, and then taking this color and continuing it on. So that's kind of our status for the day of what we are doing, or what the guys are doing. And then these walls also had to be skim coated after we got the wallpaper off. It actually took a long time to get this wallpaper off. It was never primed or sized correctly. You can still see some of the marks still kind of in here where it's still got to be worked on a little bit. But that was pretty much the whole wall, is the drywall coming off and parts of the other mud work that was there previously coming off. So I'll have to be skim coated to get flat and nice smooth surface. So that's what one of the jobs we're up to today. If you got questions on how we can help you stripping wallpaper, repainting your walls, skim coating to get a nice flat surface, and then painting walls and trim, we're here to help you out. If you guys have any questions, how we can help, how we do our process, let us know. We're here to help you love the space you're in. Have a blessed day. God bless.